Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the first RV I ever saw doing a burnout. Yes, a burnout. And no, it wasn't owned by a rock band or my friend who once tried to tow a smoker grill with a lawnmower. It was this glorious beast, the 1972 Winnebago Brave with an LS Swap, a retro shell hiding a modern heart. Like if your grandpa wore Yeezys under a vintage suit. Smash that subscribe button now if you want more stories where the past meets pedal to the metal present. Now back to business. This 18-foot, 5.5-meter motorhome might still wear its original yellow stripe suit, but under the surface, it's a 2010 Chevrolet Express van. That's right. Someone yanked the original 318 cubic inch, 5.2-liter Dodge engine and stuffed in a 6.0-liter LS V8 paired with a 6L90E 6-speed automatic. I think that's the RV version of sneaking a Ferrari engine into your grandma's Buick. We're talking nearly 300 horsepower, which is a big jump from the original 212 horsepower. Suspension? Fully independent front setup from the Express, Dana 70 rear end, and an aluminum drive shaft. The brakes are power disc, the steering is boosted, and the speed, well, I believe this thing can cruise at 75 miles per hour, 121 kph, without spilling your road coffee. Inside, oh man, it's not just restored, it's reborn. New soft-close cabinets, updated carpeting, LED lights, new dash upholstery, and a couch so fresh, it probably refuses to fold out like the old one. And the amenities? Full-size stand-up shower, new toilet, sink, electronic-controlled water heater, and rooftop AC. Honestly, I like the most how it didn't just update the guts, it rethought comfort entirely. Digital perks? You bet. Touchscreen stereo, GPS, backup cam, basically a spaceship wrapped in nostalgia. No more fumbling with paper maps while trying not to rear-end a food truck. What's wild is that the owner left the exterior mostly untouched. Just a few dents and vintage graphics. I think he wanted that sleeper look. You roll up thinking it's 1972, until it smokes you on the on-ramp. This rolling time machine was up on eBay under the seller Johnny Cash 247 and reached $30,200 USD, 28,300 euros, but didn't meet the reserve. Honestly, with this much tech and soul, I'd have set that bar higher too.